Sakubona, ngiyakwamukela ku day 21 owe 21 day Ndebele challenge. Usuku ufikile ekugcineni mfundi. Ngithemba ulokho usiba ngcono kusindebele, ulokho ufunda amabala, ufunda imitsho, ulolonga isindebele sakho. Angithi so this is the last challenge that we have for you as a beginner. All right. Ngakho namuhla ngizakupha i-quiz elembuzo engu-12 angithi. Sikhangele konke ebesikwenza from day 1 to day 20, sifake imibuzo yakhona yonke yaba ndawonye on this particular challenge. All right. So multiple choice, I'm sure uzapasa mfundi wami angithi. Siqalise number 1, uthi yena izinyo lami dash dash. Uphela njani umutsho lo? A, abuhlungu, B, zibuhlungu, and C, libuhlungu. How do you say I have a toothache ngesindebele? Impendulo yakho ngubani? Ngu-C, angithi izinyo lami libuhlungu. All right, once you say lami, you are going to say libuhlungu. Angithi ikhanda lami libuhlungu. That's how it goes. See number 2, this is father. How do you introduce your father to someone and say this is father? Is it A, lo ngubaba, B, laba ngobaba, or C, lo ngukhulu? Which one is it? Impendulo ngubani? A, lo ngubaba. Angithi lo ngubaba. Say it in singular form ngesindebele. Right, I know in Shona you would say avandi baba, you make it plural. Kodwa ngesindebele lo ngubaba, one person. Angithi. Number 3, you want to say bring my mirror to someone. Are you going to say ngicela isigelo, or letha isigelo sami, kumbe letha isibuko sami? How do you ask for your mirror ngesindebele? Impendulo ngubani? C, letha isibuko sami. Angithi. Right, number 4, I am dancing to amapiano. How would you express yourself like that ngesindebele? A, ngigida amapiano, kumbe B, ngiyagida amapiano, C, mina gida amapiano. Sithini ngesindebele? Impendulo eqondileyo ngu-A, ngigida amapiano. I am dancing. If someone were to ask you, wenzani khathesi? Ngigida amapiano. Angithi. Right. Sesiku number 5, you want to say to someone your hands are big for whatever reason. Uzakuthini ngesindebele? Is it A, isandla sakho sikhulu, B, izandla zakho zinkulu, kumbe C, izandla zakho zikhulu? Ikuphi mfundi? Ikuphi? Impendulo ngubani? Ngu-B, angithi izandla zakho zinkulu. All right. What if you were talking about your own hands? Izandla zami zinkulu. Yikho phela. Right. Siya number 6, lapho wena ufuna ukuthi I see 4 cats right now ngesindebele. A, ngibone omangoye abane khathesi. B, ngibona omangoye ezine namuhla. Kumbe C, ngibona omangoye abane khathesi. Yiphi impendulo mfundi wami? Ngu-C, angithi ngibona omangoye abane khathesi. What if you say ngibone? What are you saying really? Ngibone is I saw, right? But in the present, ngibona. Khathesi ngibona. Angithi. 7. Tomorrow is Sunday. How do you say that ngesindebele? Tomorrow is Sunday. Is it A, kusasa ngumgqibelo, B, izolo yisonto, kumbe C, kusasa yisonto? Which one is it? Impendulo ngu-C, kusasa yisonto. Angithi phela. Right, siya ku number 8, ufuna ukuthi wena I will come to the house in the evening. You want to say that in Ndebele. A, ngizabuya endlini ntambama. B, ngizabuya ekhaya emini. kumbe C, ngizaphenduka ekhaya ntambama, which one is I will come to the house in the evening. Impendulo A, angithi ngizabuya endlini ntambama, isn't it? Right, so endlini, to the house or in the house. But if you want to say at home, that's when you can use ekhaya. Number 9, how do you say I hate bread ngesindebele? Is it A, ngiyasithanda isinkwa, B, isinkwa ngiyazizonda, or C, isinkwa ngiyasizonda? Which one is it? Impendulo eqondileyo ngu-C, yangithi isinkwa ngiyasizonda. And if you wanted to say I love it, isinkwa ngiyasithanda. Yikho phela. 10, I am cooking beans today. Sithini ngesindebele? A, ngidla indumba namuhla. B, ngipheka indumba namuhla. Kumbe C, ngipheka indlubu namuhla. Which one is I'm cooking beans today? Impendulo ngubani? Ngu-B, ngipheka indumba namuhla. Siyaqhubeka siya ku-number 11. Where are you coming from so early in the morning? How would you ask someone that question ngesindebele? Is it A, uya ngaphi ekuseni so? B, uvela ngaphi namuhla ekuseni? Kumbe C, uvela ngaphi ekuseni kangaka? Which one is where are you coming from so early in the morning? Impendulo eqondileyo ngu-C. Uthi yena uvela ngaphi ekuseni kangaka. When people are speaking Ndebele, you're going to hear them say A lot. They say ekuseni so. Kodwa ngesindebele esiqondileyo sithi ekuseni kangaka. So early in the morning. Right, nansi eyokugcina number 12. You want to say this wall is ugly. Uza kuthini ngesindebele? A, umduli lo mubi. Or B, umduli leyi imbi. Kumbe ngu-C, othi yena umduli lo muhle. What are you going to say? Impendulo yakho ngubani? Ngu-A, mfundi. Umduli lo mubi, for ugly. Angithi sesifikile ekugcineni kwe-challenge yanamuhla. Le challenge yonke we just done with the 21-day challenge. And ngiyathaba ukuthi ubulandela mfundi, ubufunda, ukuzikhangela ukuthi isindebele sakho simi njani. Angithi you're just testing yourself throughout this challenge. Right. Ngakho ke ngicela ukukushela ingqobe zokugcina. The last challenge. Bhala kuma comments before. Kuma comments ngaphansi angithi ukuthi where are you learning from? We just want to know where you are learning from mfundi. Ufunda ungaphi? Angithi ungabe ungaphi? UseHarare, ukoBulawayo, useGokhwe, useGweru, useVic Falls, kumbe uphandle kwelizwe, useDurban, usePoland, useFrance, ungaphi mfundi? Akusitshele kuma comments. Sizabonana kuzifundo ezilandelayo. Bye bye.